Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be stuffing my expenses, but first I wanted to show you guys a new member of our family, and I don't really know what his name is, but this is our new budgeting buddy. Aww. He's really cool. I love the colors that he has, and I was thinking that I could do some kind of a thing where you guys can like do some name suggestions, and then we can like do a poll in my community tab and see who likes what name better, and then we can name him. Here he is. Isn't he pretty? Alright, and another thing that I'm changing on my channel is the way that my audio is, because in one of my videos I felt like there was just a lot of crackling going on with my audio, so I ended up using my old microphone that I bought for my desktop computer, and so that's what I'm using right now. So let me know also in the comments if you prefer this audio as well. And I'm going to be using my sort quick so that I can hurry up and count this money. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and count. We have 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 360, 470, 475, 480, 485, 490, 495, 500. So we got $500. Alright, so I went ahead and sorted all the money so we can get started. So I am not going to be paying my rent on this paycheck, but I will on my next one. And also with my AT&T, I'll pay next payday. For my Mini Cooper, I'm putting $135 in there. So that's 100, 20, a 10, and a 5. Let's minus 135 from the total. All right, so Progressive, I'm also going to be paying next payday. For credit cards, I'm going to be putting $60 in there. So that's 50 and 60. For Affirm, I am so excited because let me tell you guys, I actually paid off one of my affirms, and it is such an amazing feeling because, like, guys, we're like this close to being done with this envelope, and I could just take it out and we don't even have to worry about affirm anymore, and pretty soon self is not going to be in there either. So that means that we're going to be saving a lot more money, and we're going to put it towards my credit cards. And then once we're done with my credit cards, then we're going to work on my actual debt collections that I have on my credit. So without further ado, let me tell you how much I actually put into my firm. So I put $94 in my affirm on the first affirm because I actually have 3. So it paid that one off, and then I put $28 on the second affirm and $28 on the other one. So all that averages up to about $150. So I'm putting $150 in here, and I am waiting for it to like process. It usually takes about 3 to 5 business days for it to fully process. Until then, I'm going to keep it in my envelope. So we're going to do, why did this go back to normal? Let's see, we have 500 minus 135, and then we just paid 150 towards my firm. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is put $40 in myself. So $15 was for the I put money on, I used my self card to buy something. I think it was like Starbucks or something. So therefore I have to pay that. And then $25 is for the self loan that I have. So that equals up to $40. So I'm going to minus $40 from here. 20 and 40. Okay, so for food, we actually am going to put $50 into food. So that's 20, 40, and a 10, that's 50. No, wait, what did I do? Did I do that right? Yeah, 20, 40, 50. Okay. And now we have a total of whatever 40 plus that is. I believe it's like 159. Because that's what I have for the balance now is 159. So minus $50. And now we're going to go to fuel, and we're going to put $45 in here. So that's 20, 40, 45. What are the gas prices where you guys live? I know ours, if I get the medium grade gas, it's usually $3.70. So I'm probably going to be spending that much whenever I get gas next time. For household, I'm going to be putting $5 in there with a total of just only $5 because I spent some last time. For pets, we haven't gotten anything for pets yet, so I'm going to be putting $15 in there, and that should cover any kind of expenses for the pets. And because we got a new pet, part of this goes towards, keeping up with the fish and all that other kind of stuff. I also have 2 other fish. They're goldfish, and I'll probably show them to you guys soon too. And we have 2 cats and a snake. Alright guys, I hope you all liked my new setup and my video about stuffing my expenses, and I will see you guys in the next video, and I will probably be stuffing my sinking funds next, which is in this blue binder here. Bye guys!